Hi friends, today we are going to study divisibility test. First we are going to study the divisibility test of 2. So, what are the property for divisibility test of 2? If a given number, if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then we can say that that number is divisible by 2. Understood? If ones digit or unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, 798 is ones digit, unit digit is 8. So we can say that that number is divisible by 2. The another example is 210. 210, here 0 is the last digit. Understood? So we can say that that number is divisible by 2. And one more example is 324. So 4 is the last digit. Understood? Unit digit. So we can say that that number is 324 is divisible by 2. Understood? Next we are going to study divisibility test of 5. How to know a number is divisible by 5? A given number, if its ones digit is 0 or 5, 0 or 5, then we can say that that number is divisible by 5. Let us go an example. 6915 is ones digit, that means unit digit, that means last digit. Okay, that is 5. So we can say that this number is divisible by 5. The next example is 2000. The last digit is 0. Then we can say that this number is divisible by 5. Another example I will write for you. 15. 5 is here. Unit place. So we can say that this number is divisible by 5. Understood? Next we are going to study divisibility test of 3. A given number, if its sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then we can say that that number is divisible by 3. So let us do one example. 34,821. So what we will do first, we will take the sum of all digits. Okay. So 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. That means 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 1 18. So look at 18. 18 is a multiple of 3. 18 is divisible by 3. So we can say that this number is divisible by 3. Understood? We will write one more example. 66. This number is divisible by 3. Let us check. Sum of the digits. That means 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 is in which table is there? The table of 3. So 12 is divisible by 3. So understood. Let us do another example. 432. Sum of the digit. 4 plus 3 plus 2. That means 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 is not in the table of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. 9 is in the table of 3. So it is divisible by 3. Understood? So 3 3s are 9. So it is divisible by 3. One more example is 321. So 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is in the table of 3. Understood? So it is divisible by 3. In this way we are finding the divisibility test of 3. Next we are going to study divisibility test of 9. So in this case also, what we studied for divisibility test of 3, the same way we are doing divisibility test of 9 also. That means if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. There, here divisible by 9. Understood? So let us do an example. 67041, 67,041. So first we will add 6 plus 7 plus 0 plus 4 plus 1. So we will get the answer 18. 18 is in which table? 9 table is there. So therefore it is divisible by 9. Understood? So let us do another example. 52,066. So 5 plus 2 plus 0 plus 6 plus 6. So while adding we will get 19. 19 is not in the table of 9. So it is not divisible by 9. Understood? In this way we are finding the divisibility test of 9. Next we are going to study divisibility test of 10. How to find a number is divisible by 10? If its ones digit is 0. If its ones digit is 0, then we can say that that number is divisible by 10. Understood? So example 260. In this case the unit place is 0. So we can say that this number is divisible by 10. Let's do another example 3900. So unit place is 0. Then we can say that this number is divisible by 10. So 4020. This unit place is 0. Then we can say that this number is divisible by 10. 1874. Is this number is divisible by 10? No, this number is not divisible by 10 because the unit place is 4 over here. So it is not divisible by 10. Understood? So in this way we are finding the divisibility method. Understood? Divisibility test. If we get any numbers, first what we will do? First we should remind all the divisibility tests. If it is divisible by 2, 3, 6, 5, 9 or 10. Understood? So it is the easy method to find divisibility test of 2, 3, 6, 9 and 10. Okay. So revise well, practice this divisibility test. Okay, thank you.